class, we normally would have like sex ed.
I had two friends who I shall not name.
They were talking about like how to protect yourself from sex and the different ways you can like be with that person during sex.
They were talking and they brought up sex or doing it or whatever they call it. And I didn't know what that was, so I said, what's sex? And they're like, you don't know what sex is?
Like, no one taught me. It's just like, you know, things started making sense.
It was a lot of like just immature like sex jokes, and I remember just being like, what is that? Like, I don't know, I don't understand.
I started learning about sex through magazines.
And I read a book about it actually. It's a female guide, I guess you could say. It was about how to take care of yourself sexually.
Like Cosmopolitan and that sort of stuff, where it'd be like 10 things like every woman should know about in bed or something.
And then after I read the book, I questioned my mother and other adults around me about it. So that's kind of how it started.